Hey, did you know there was an easy button when it comes to selling a house? Hi, I'm Kim Tucker, and this morning I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the normal selling process of selling a house and how to skip all that and go straight to the easy button. So let's first take a look at what the normal selling process is. In a perfect world, the normal selling process is going to take around 6 months. Month one, we're going to clean out the house. Clean out the closets, clean out the cupboards, clean out all the years of stuff that we've packed into a house. We're going to pick out the stuff that we want to keep, and then we're going to sell the stuff that we don't want. Step two, we're going to take a look at our house and see what needs to be repaired. So if you're in a newer home, great, there's not going to be a lot of work. You may not need anything. But if you're in a house that you've lived in for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, there's always quite a bit of things that need to be repaired. So the older the house, the longer it's been since you fixed anything, the longer it's going to, the more things are going to need to be repaired. So in month two, we're going to be figuring out what we want to fix, how we want to fix it, and calling contractors for bids. Then month three comes in and the contractors come in and do your work. I don't know about you, but when I hire a contractor, if we're painting a house, that's, a 2 or 3 day process. Replacing a roof, 2 or 3 day process. But if I'm remodeling the whole house and making changes everywhere, that's 3, 4, 5 months. House next door, they've been remodeling it for 4 months and they don't look like they're anywhere near close to being done. So in a perfect world, month three, the contractors come in and do the work. Then we're ready to hire our realtor. In a normal everyday process that most people work, we're going to hire the realtor. The realtor is going to come in and suggest ways to stage your house unless you're leaving it vacant. So, bringing in furniture and making it look perfect, picture perfect. Then you're going to get photos and they're going to get the listing and all the marketing put together. That's month four. Really and truly, your realtor can probably help you get all that done in a week to a month. Then comes the fun part, showings. My house that I live in right now, it's for sale. So the past week, I have been leaving my house at 9 in the morning and not coming back till 7 or 8 at night so that people can come in, strangers with realtors can come in and look at my house. Right now in today's market, that showing process, if your house is perfect or near perfect and priced right, that's going to take you about a week of people coming in and showings. But then we have other things. The next thing is after you get a contract, the buyer wants to do inspections, so you got to leave so they can come in and do inspections. Then they're going to probably ask for more things to be done. And I sell houses, a lot of houses, and every time I have an inspection, even in a perfect house, I usually end up with about $1,000 to $3,000 in repairs that they ask to be done. So I need to get that done. Then comes the appraisal. The appraiser comes in and appraises the house, and we cross our fingers that it appraises for the right amount. And then we get closer to closing and we cross our fingers that the buyers don't lose their job, don't have some horrible thing happen so they can't get their loan. So if everything goes perfect, we make it through month five, we've got our showings done, we've got our contract, we've got our inspections, we've got our appraisals. And then in month six, we finish up the inspection, repairs, the appraisals, and then we go to closing. In a perfect world, that whole process takes 6 months. You might be able to shorten it a little bit, like I said, if it's a newer home and you don't need a lot of repairs and a lot of work and you don't have a lot of stuff. But if you've lived there a long time, it's going to take pretty much all of that. So let's take a look at what the easy button looks like. So the easy button, you just reach out and press it. No, it takes a little bit more work than that. The first thing you're going to do is call us up or submit through our website and tell us, a cash home buyer, about your house and your situation. We are going to come out and take a look at your house. We're going to walk through it so we can see it. We're not like these people that buy things over the internet and then change their mind later. We want to come see your house. We want to know what we're looking at. And then we can provide you with a solid, fair offer based on the house and the condition. Then we send all the paperwork. Once we come to an agreement, we send it to the local title company. They can process all that in a week or less. And they sort out all the paperwork, make sure everything is paid, all your mortgages, your taxes are paid. We buy your house, we go to closing. We can do closing online, we can do it in person. Either way, even if you don't live here. So if you're selling a house and you live in another state, you can do that online through the internet, or we can set you up with a title company where you live, whatever works best for you. And we are closed. So what does that process look like? We like to say that with our easy button process, that we eliminate the hard parts of selling a house. So that cleaning out part, you can come in, you can clean out as much as you want, or leave everything. Just we'll take care of it. Then getting the contractor bids. I don't know about you, but I know we run model houses regularly. But when it comes to remodeling my own stuff, I'm not sure what I want done. I don't know what's right. And if you don't do this every day, you don't even know a contractor. So how do you hire a contractor? So we let you skip that part. Don't make any repairs. So there's no month 1, there's no month 2, there's no month 3 with the painting and repairs. You don't worry about getting pictures. You don't worry about staging. You don't worry about marketing or online listings. You don't worry about people walking through your house, and you don't worry about inspections or appraisals. We come in, you call us, we come in, we make you an offer. When we come to an agreement, we send it to the title company, we go to closing. It becomes sold in a week to 10 days or on whatever day works for you. So if you think the easy button might be just for you, give us a call, visit our website. Either way, tell us about your house, and we can get you to the easy button. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.